Okay, guys, so basically, my phase of play is going to be a low block. So everyone in my team is going to play in a low block. Does that make sense? So we're going to track the press. When we receive the ball, then we can counter them. But I'm going to make a line of engagement. So this is where we'll start. So Moaz will start on the line of engagement. Just imagine we're playing karate, the same thing, in a low block and mid block. So you don't want to go on your own. And then I'm going to give you different coaching points throughout, okay? The other team is just going to play. So if I get you guys over here, I'll just show you. Let me just show you. I'm going to play a back four and three midfielders for the team that I'm going to coach. The opposition is going to play a 1-4-3, okay? Like a 1-4-1-2. So it's 8 against 7. Does that make sense? Obviously, keepers as well. So it's going to be a 9 against 8. We're going to play, the opposition is going to play from here, going towards the goal. We're going to play it from the goalkeeper. Does that make sense? They'll receive the ball from a long pass, and then we have to play in a low block. And we have to shift across, cover the units. If someone jumps, or can someone come across? Can we stop the first line pass into us, or playing through around the over? Does that make sense? For me, the big thing is communication. Okay, body position to stop the ball into the depth. If someone goes, can we cover? What is our triggers for our press? So, for instance, if they take a bad touch, if they're facing the wrong way, if there's a bad pass or slow pass, then we could jump. Okay, I'm not saying that you have to stay in a low block the whole time, but we're going to try and shift across as a unit. If, let's say, Amin jumps, can I come and cover him? Okay, so there's going to be different. I'm going to give you 6 or 7 coaching points within the game. We'll do a phase of play. After that, for 10 minutes, we'll go into 11v11 game. So, and if there's any moment that you feel like, okay, is there anything I can improve on, don't be afraid. We can stop it at any time. Yeah, it's a good way for us to practice tactically. Obviously, our thing is a mid block or a high press as a club, but it's also good to have a low block because you might play against a team who's superior than you, so you have to cover the spaces. Okay. The big thing for me, guys, if the midfield line goes, back line has to follow them. You know what I mean? We must we must be compact in between, and you must communicate at all times. If left winger goes, centre midfielder comes in with him. And another thing is we'll try to force the play wide. Yeah, so communication at all times, body position. If they scanning also, because there might be someone on your back. So it's a good practice for you, you know. We don't do this as much as we should, but it's good to learn tactically how we play low block, mid block, and a high press. Yeah. Does anyone have any questions? No. The other guys that are not involved in the phase of play will play a rondo. As soon as I finish 10 minutes of phase of play, we'll go into a game where everyone's going to take part. Yeah. We'll play the game for 15 minutes. The same principles from my phase of play is the same principles for the game, but a bit more freedom because obviously it's a game, you know. But I'll jump in a few times and I'll coach within the principles of our phase of play, which is a low block. Yeah, I know you might want to press the ball, high press, but if you can for this phase of play, stay in a low block. I'll put a line of engagement, the flat cones, and that's where we fall back into every time. Yeah, I've got some coaching points for you guys. During the session, I will coach you. After the phase of play, I'll bring you in, we'll talk, and then we can go back out again. Yeah? So can I just, guys, can I pick the players who's going to play in the team I'm coaching, and the other team, you have freedom to play the other team, okay? So can I have, can Abdul Razak plays a left back for me? Give me Abdul Kazim and Fadl and Nasser on the right. 3 midfielders, Saif, Amin, and Zakaria. You can go into a 2-1 or you can go into a flat 3, but remember, we're going to have a line of engagement. In the opponent team, can I have Abdul Samad as a right back for me? Good. Hamid, can you come as a left back? Suksuk, can you go as a centre back? Oh, it's more of a midfield, okay? So Suksuk here. Actually, Suksuk, can you play on the white for me? Ali, can you play on this one? Okay. Can you play on the other? Majid, in this here. Majid, you go up front for me. You come in and play as a 10 for me. Okay? So you guys can swap, and can you play on the other side? Is that everyone? Yeah, yeah. Sorry, Moad. No, sorry, Moad. Can you play there? Yeah, can you play there for me? Good. Ali, can you just jump in here? Guys, that's the formation for the phase of play. After that, we'll go into 11v11. So we'll get a warm-up with the ball. 1 ball between 2, just moving the ball. Some little volleys, chest and back, and then we'll get started. I'll make the line of engagement. The other guys will play a rondo, okay? You ready to go? So guys, get a ball between 2 for the warm-up. Guys, 1 ball between 2 for the warm-up. How are you? You okay? Yeah, just one ball between two. Just moving the ball for the warm up. Hey, one ball between two. Just moving the ball. After that, a rondo. Suk suk. Red bib. Thank you very much. Ali, you gonna yeah? Four. So 1, 4, 1, 4, 3, basically. Three. Yes, yeah, yeah. The three is like a one and a two. Do you know what I mean? Yeah, midfielder. Yeah, you're starting to play all the time. No, you're gonna play midfield. Yeah. Hi, how are you? Okay. Yeah. Good. No, that's okay. No problem. Just get a ball between two. We're just moving the ball. The ball up. Here you go. Guys, just moving the ball. One ball between two or one ball between three. Leil, how are you? Guys, can I sorry, can I just give you this bib? Hi, Leil, how are you? Okay, nice to see you. No, no, it's okay. I did. Can you give Nas the one as well? Yeah. Was Sophie? Guys, just come on in. Bring all the balls, please. Bring all the balls. If you bring all the balls, come in. Nice and quick. Try to be as quick as you can. Let's go. Guys, all we're going to do now, so basically a little warm up with the ball. I'm going to have a partner, one ball between two players, okay, or one ball between three. So basically, if it's me and Suk has the ball, I'm here, one ball between two, just moving the ball. Try to make one line here, one line here. Let's get a 5-minute warm up because we're going to play 11v11. I don't want anyone to get injured, okay? So, does that make sense? So, you and your partner spread along the line, one ball between two. Here we go. Nothing too long, just nice short passes. Guys, nice short passes. Here we go. One ball between two, or one ball between three. Ready? Abdulkazim. Just make sure the goalkeepers have a bit of space. Here we go. Play. Good. Nice short passes. 2 or 3 minutes. Here we go. Okay, so basically, low block against a team that's just going to play. Can you see the line of engagement? So I've put this line as a line of engagement. That means that that's where we're going to be. Okay. When we're playing the 11v11, you're not necessarily having to be here, but I need you as low as we can. You know. So I'll show you what I mean. A deep defensive line. So our line of engagement is going to be deep. Distances between units. That means back four midfield. That nice distance. I don't want the midfield high pressing and then the back line so far. You know, like if you watch Arsenal or United, they're always compact, okay? So nice and compact, moving together. So I have some coaching points here. Slide across on at the same speed, so everyone has to go together. If Abdul Kazim goes, Nasser has to go. Do you know what I mean? So everything has to be nice and compact between you in terms of distances, width, and depth. If that makes sense, okay? Yeah. If the triggers for the press, if they take a bad touch, maybe they're facing the wrong way, and then we can press. Once someone jumps to press, the other guys cover, you know? So all the time, we're going to be like one unit. Imagine you have a string between you and you're pulling each other, okay? We want to stop the pass going through us, around or over, okay? Like, you know, Abdul Kazim all the time, always side on. In the last game that we won 1-0, defensively, you guys were fantastic, okay? The same as Karatiat, you know? It just took them to do something special. But that can happen at times, you know? They can be creative. But we will try to work on that because I think it's very good for next season as well. When we play teams in the second division in the cup, we'll be in a mid or low block, you know? I think we get our best results when we're in a mid block, if I'm honest, because Arabi away in Celia, we were amazing in a mid block, okay? So I'll just read out the little coaching points. When you're sliding across, please scan over your shoulder because if I'm sliding, I must know where the guy is and communicate. So if I go, Nasser communicate with me, the winger will come down, communicate with Nasser, okay? All the time you're communicating. Triggers to jump, I've went through that. When we jump, can we all squeeze in together? Can we force them wide and be patient? The biggest thing about low block, mid block, as you guys know, is to be patient because it just takes someone. You know, I watched Arsenal Spurs the other day, and you know what they said? That teams nowadays are just looking for one person to jump out of position. So they move it side to side. As soon as someone loses patience, they go. Once they go, that's the time they'll play. They're just waiting for that trigger for you to be the one. And as human beings, we get a tendency to not be patient and we jump. But as soon as someone jumps, the space is there, you know, and they'll play through us. So we're just going to work on it for 8 to 10 minutes, guys. Then we play 11v11. I'll jump in 2 or 3 times. The 11v11 is freedom, but one team has to stay in a low block. 10 minutes, and then the rest of 11v11 is just play, okay? But you guys can choose you want to play 3 teams of 7 or you want to play 11v11. I think 11v11 would probably be better, you know? Yeah, we'll just play. So I have 10 minutes phase of play, 10 minutes of coaching, and the rest is just a match. Then you forget about the low block. You can play, you know what I mean? But if you can, use low block, mid block, or high press within the practice, okay? So today, low block, and I'll coach it within it. So the black team is going to be there. Red team is going to be blocking these 3 goals. Red team, you're going to start the play, and you're attacking the goal, okay? Black team, you have to shift the cross. Communication, body position. Okay, are you ready to go? Just over there, sorry. I'll start with the balls. Yeah. Yes? Yes, Suk is playing as a 1. You have 4 midfielders. Okay, you're going to play as like a midfielder with them and 2 strikers. After 5 minutes, I'm going to put you as a striker, and they're going to play Suk and Ali. Everyone, 5 midfielders and 3 strikers. How are you going to deal with it? Because I'm going to change the formation of the red. Black have to counter. Okay. Hey, Black, you have to be nice and compact. Okay. Suk, I'll give you the ball. You can even start it yourself. No problem. Can you just put the balls here? Sorry, just on the side. You can come and start anytime. So can I take 2? I'll take 2 or 3. Just leave them there. Zachariah, can you put those balls behind the goals just for the keeper? Sometimes I'll start from here. Sometimes I'll start with the keeper, and then we'll see how we react. Black, after the low block, if you win it, you can play. Okay? How can you react to it when we're in possession as well? The ball starts from Suk, and we'll play from there. Guys, ready? Guys, couple of minutes to yourself, freedom, and then I'll jump in. Here we go, play. Good, the game's live. Can we penetrate red? Go a little bit higher, Suk. Nice, beautiful, man. Good. Great shape. I mean, just tuck in a little bit. Recover up the Razak. Beautiful. Good. Guys, same again. One more time. Go ahead, play. No problem. Good. I mean, just go behind the ball if we can. Okay, guys, just stop there. Guys, just stop there. Hey, everything has been absolutely excellent. There's nothing I can fault. So I'm just going to have two positives. If you see, we're just going to recreate it. So can you move the ball, Ali? I just once you're finished, go ahead, take your time. No, take your time, it's okay. Once Ali, Suk move the ball, the only thing they can do is move the ball side to side because of how compact you are. So they can't play through us, they can't play over. The only thing they can play is side to side. There's been twice that you've won the ball because of a slow pass. What did I say the trigger was? Slow pass, bad body position. So you guys have won it. Nasser won it on a slow pass there. Abdul Razak won it on a slow pass there. Can we recreate that? So play that ball slow. Abdul Razak, you're going to jump when he plays. Go ahead. Good. Do it again. I'm sorry. Give it to him back. So play it a little bit slower. I just want to recreate that situation again. So Abdul Razak, jump on the slow pass. That's the time to jump. So we're looking for triggers to jump. You've done it perfectly on both sides, and we've got success from it. So look for those triggers. They don't have a chance to play through you. It's unbelievable. I don't mind them playing side to side, but don't let them play through over. We'll go for another minute, okay? And I'll jump in. Guys, remember body position at all times. Play. Red, can you penetrate? Can you find a way to penetrate and move them? Good, Black. Nasser, beautiful. Beautiful. Fantastic, Faro. Good. One more. Red, I'm going to set you a challenge. Can you get in shot and go, or can you penetrate, Red? Okay? Black, the challenge, can we counter that challenge? Beautiful. Fantastic. Sorry. Guys, I'm finding it very hard to pick faults in what you're doing, you know. I'm meant to be coaching your faults, but I'm finding it hard. I'll say this. When the ball's in this side, Hamid, can we just get on the ball? When you guys shift across, one thing I loved, when Abdul Razak's coming in, he's looking over his shoulder. Also, he's communicating with the back line. Abdul Kazim's communicating with Nasser. Saif is showing them to play back to you, okay? I'll just say this. Can you go give the ball to Ali? Can you give the ball to Ali? Good. Once it's played through, play it to Moaz. Moaz, just come in front of Abdul Kazim. What I love though is how Zakaria is able to recover and put pressure. What was Moaz's only decision? To go back, okay? So if Zakaria is going to be here and stand here, maybe Moaz has a chance to turn. But because he's recovered and helped Abdul Kazim, we've doubled up. I can't really pick any faults, okay? The only fault I can pick is when we're in possession, maybe we can utilize the ball a bit better. But apart from that, it's absolutely perfect. Red's probably finding it very hard to penetrate. I think Red's best opportunity right now is to get shots and go from further out. You know what I mean? Because you're finding it hard to penetrate. We'll go 2 more minutes, guys, and that's me. Then I'll coach in 11v11. Red, I'm going to challenge you. Can you score in the 2 minutes? Okay? Black, body position. Don't let them in the depth, okay? So a long ball, 6 try to play long. Fado, Abdul Kazim. Can you react to this? Okay? Ready? Fado, can you react to this? It might go long. You have to see his body position. Go ahead, play. Good. Patience, patience. Red, can you jump up, Red? Maybe you got a high press. Beautiful. Good. Last one, guys. Good. Abdul Kazim. Beautiful. Okay, that's it. Last one. Ahmed, take the ball there. Take the ball there. This is the only thing I can fault, guys. And it's not even a fault, honestly. It's not about the touch, because that's going to happen. If Nasser's committed, let's say, can I have the ball here? Okay. Hey, he's beat Nasser. Abdul Kazim's come across. What can Nasser do to help? Can cover, okay? So we'll go through that. Because right now, he's beat Nasser. Instead of Nasser just standing there, Abdul Kazim's come. Can you fill the gap over there, okay? Yeah, okay, ready, tribe? So he beats you. Go 1v1 with him, beat him. Good, Abdul Kazim comes in, he covers. Beautiful. That's the only thing I can fix throughout this 3-4 minutes that you've done it. The other thing is, if Abdul Razak, when you went, Abdul Kazim played a great ball to you, one of the midfielders can cover Abdul Razak. Does that make sense? So we'll just walk through that and then that's us finished, guys. So Abdul Razak, you up there? Can you go nice and high for me? Go in front of Abdul Summit. So go all the way past Abdul Summit. Just step up a little bit. Guys, just step up a little bit more distance. Abdul Kazim, guys, we have to be compact with our distance. Just come up. No, come up. I just want the units to be nice and compact. Hey, just stay there, Abdul Razak. If it's going to go to Abdul Summit, can you then maybe cover him? Does that make sense? Yeah? Either Faro comes across. Hey, if we don't have that with Faro going across, if Faro is the one to go across, Zakaria can come back in here. So it's always you're trying to cover each other, okay? So we'll try that. Go here. Sorry. Just goes here. Faro, now you're going to react. Wait. Let the ball go first. Let the ball go first and then you jump. Okay, so take your time. Ready? Can you play up the summit? Go ahead, Faro. Zakaria, beautiful. Good. Be very hard to break down. Go ahead, play from there. Red, I'm going to challenge you. Can you score? Just come back inside. Good, okay. Thank you, guys. Guys, thank you very much. If you want to get a drink and we have 11:11, 10 minutes and we're finished. and then we play a full game. Thank you, guys. Red. Guys, stop there, guys. Stop. Stop it. Stop. Sorry. Guys, give the ball to Suk. Mod. Safe. Can we just get higher? Just get higher, please. Fado, can you just get higher for me? Abdulzak, can you give the ball to Suk? Guys, just 2 times I'm going to do this and we're finished. Hey, Abdul Kazim, get higher. Hey, guys, can someone tell me what are we doing today? What is it? A low what? A low block, okay? If we're here, where's the space? In behind. So we want to stop that space in behind. So if we're playing a low block, can we drop 5 yards? So Fado, drop the 5 yards. We're not going to press the ball. Come, Mod. Hey, just for the purpose of this, go down a little bit. Make sure the unit's all tight. Now, it's limited the distance for him to play. He has to try to play through and around. I don't want to press the ball. I want to limit the space in behind. So can we stay compact and low block? I know you want to press and get the ball, but just be patient in your low block, okay? Guys, 2 more minutes. Can we stay in this area, the low block? This is probably a mid block, so a little bit more down, Mod. A little bit less. Good. I want to stop any penetration through, so try to be nice and compact. Ready? Fado, be careful of the ball in behind. Ready, play? Good. More. Beautiful. Don't let them play through. Majid. Majid. Back into a low block. Yes. Okay, stop there, guys. This is the last 2 and we're done. Abdul Kazim, I know it's the last one. Give the ball there. It's the last one and I'm finished. Yeah, just here. Hamid. Hey, safe. Do that again. Guys, I said the triggers was a slow pass, a bad pass, maybe body position. So what did Safe do there? What did he steal? How did he steal it? Bad pass, okay? So we're looking for that trigger of a bad pass. You're going to play the same ball. You're trying to play a lane, but slow. Safe is going to jump. Ready, play? Good. That's what we're looking for. What's the trigger to press? Can we win the ball here in transition? That's the goal for the next minute and we're finished. Okay, ready? Back to Hamad. And we play from there. So what's the trigger to press, guys? Remember, distance is nice and compact. Red, can you score? You have a minute left. Great covering, Fado. Beautiful. Play. How can we play out? Try to play out. Yes, love it. Good. That's a go back, start again if you have to. Nice. Yes, beautiful. Good play from there, Nasser. Take it. Go ahead. Yes. But try to be a bit more compact with your midfield line. Be positive, Ali. Be positive. Can we get a shot and go, Ali? Good, Zico, love that. Captain Kazim, keep on communicating. Okay, guys, finish off there. Hey, I'll just say this, guys. More unlucky. Can you give the ball there? We're finished now, and then we just play. Give the ball over there to Suk Suk. Hey, guys, I know we're playing a low block, but if you can steal it here, I would rather you steal it here. So, can you play the ball into Tofik? I want you to steal it there. Jump and steal it. If we can, guys, counter press. So we don't have to fall all the way down if we have a chance to win it here. Does that make sense? Because there's no point in running 30 yards after losing the ball when you can try to win it here. So I know it's a low block, but if we can win it here, what I'm going to do is steal it off Tofik and we'll play from here to goal and we're finished. Just go to Suk Suk, give the ball to Suk Suk. It goes to Tofik. Moab, you're going to run the ball. Go ahead, and then we play from there. Go, play. Can we penetrate? Can we get a finish? Beautiful, guys. Guys, thank you very much. Yes, yeah. Is that what you guys want? Yeah, guys. Guys, just come on in. Come on in. Guys, that was absolutely excellent. Thank you so much. I just want to say thank you very much from the bottom of my heart. That was amazing. The way you guys were playing, both teams, was fantastic to watch. I can't really coach any bad points, and my job today was to coach the negatives and what you don't do well. But, you know, the only thing I could say is maybe we can be a bit more of a low block. But a low block is hard because you got to be patient, you know what I mean? Because sometimes I think I can steal the ball and I have to run all the way back and be in a low block. But all the way doing that is because if you're playing a team that's more superior, you know, and they can find the spaces in between or over, we want to limit the space and be compact. Like you saw against Karate, it was very hard for them to play through Arabi because you were in a mid block, obviously a little bit higher, but no team, Al Rayyan as well. It's very hard to beat you guys if you're in a mid block. So body position, I put all the coaching points here, like I said, deep defensive line, distance between units, slide across, communicate, body position when you're sliding, when to jump the trigger. Steve did it very well there. Bad pass, slow pass. When the guy's turned around, maybe he's facing the other way, he does a scan. Whenever you're in a low block and you're shifting across, always scan over your shoulder as well. And I think communication is the big one, you know? And when you have the ball, be comfortable around it. The best teams are always shifting across together. It's very hard to play through, around, over. So, guys, does anyone have any questions? Anything? Yeah, if you have any questions at all and anything like that, please don't hesitate to ask because we're all here to get better for next season. But that was excellent, guys. Like I said, always be patient, force to play wide. I think for me, you always have to have a trigger. Either you want to force them wide, like now in the first team, they're doing a thing where Sabre cuts off the pitch and we force them wide and we limit the space. Because they always say use the byline as a defender. You know what I mean? Because if I'm a right back and you force me wide and I use the byline as a defender, it limits my space where to go. You know, so if I play back inside, there's so much space inside. So always try to push them to the outside, okay? Guys, we're going to play 11 for 15 minutes, and then the losing team has to do a forfeit, okay? And it's anything now. You can press high. I think for me, honestly, if I had to choose a team who will win, it's going to be red, honestly. Okay? Yeah, thank you very much, guys. Thank you. Yeah. Tiago, thank you. Thank you so much.